Actually, it's so hard to choose a specific one. Pero siguro, to answer the question, whenever nag-abroad kami ni Ellie, kasi that's the time na kaming dalawa lang, wala kami ibang kasama, walang mga kamag-anak. So that's when we really get to bond and get to know each other really well whenever we have trips abroad. Parang si Ellie dapat yung sumagot yan. But for me, I'd like to think na I'm a cool dad. Given the small age gap between Ellie and I, parang kami magkapatid lang eh. You know, but syempre, nandun pa rin yung kailangan mong i-discipline yung anak mo, diba? So, siguro more of a disciplinarian than a strict dad. Yeah. If she wants to, why not? I mean, it's undeniable. It runs in her blood, yung showbiz genes. Both mother side, father side, diba? Mula lolo, lola, mga artista na. So, hindi ko naman siya pipigilan kung gusto niya. Yeah, I'll be there to support her. Best part of being a dad? It's hard to pinpoint, but for me, siguro it's growing with my daughter. Parang as a father, sabay kaming lumalaki, sabay kaming we learn a lot from each other. Yeah, so that's the best part for me. Sa mga young daddies, just enjoy fatherhood. It's a beautiful thing. Don't forget your responsibilities as a parent, and yeah, just enjoy the ride with your children. Happy Father's Day.